Erica Mena fired from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta after calling Spice the M word. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007
Welcome
TV
to
News
Links
Report,
007
and we'll be
TV
right back
News
with the full and
Report,
exclusive
providing you
latest to
with the
come.
best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
The Love and Hip Hop reality TV series franchise issued a statement on Saturday that Erica Mena would not be part of the upcoming season of the Atlanta spin-off after she referred to co-star Spice, calling her the M-word during a recent altercation while filming. In a video capturing the heated exchange, Mena and Spice engage in a confrontation conversation, during which the Jamaican dancehall artist informed Mena that her son did not like her. The situation escalated, with Mena flipping a table and confronting Spice. On set, personnel intervened to separate the two women, eventually escorting Mena outside of the building. The argument continued outside the building, where Mena referred to Spice as a blue animal and made a disturbing comment about the artist's near-death experience. In November last year, Spice revealed that she had developed sepsis after suffering damage to her hernia. The Love and Hip Hop franchise has never shied away from the hard conversation in our community. Working hand in hand with our partners, viewers will see the impact of Erica Mena's remarks play out their final episode, 3 episodes of the season, effective immediately. She will not appear in the next season of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, the statement read. Many viewers on social media call for Erica Mena's removal from the reality TV series, stating that her comments were not just and was an instance of racism, but also colorism, as Erica Mena is a black light-skinned Afro-Latina, while Spice is a darker-skinned black Jamaican woman. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.